Let's get coffee later. I'm sure this has become a popular phrase among many of us. It gets even more common the older you get, but how many times do we actually take up the opportunity to start a friendship in our adulthood? Feeling socially awkward while trying to make friends, especially as we grow older, is completely understandable. Everyone is doing their best at living their lives wrapped in work, family, and other tasks. However, there are still possibilities to form deep, lasting connections, even later in life. Here are some practical tips to help you cultivate lifelong friendships. 1. Be open. It's a common tip if you wanna make friends. Be open. Step out of your comfort zone or try a new hobby. Often, this tip usually applies to expanding your hobbies and trying to enter different social spheres. While trying something new is a guarantee for meeting different people, it doesn't guarantee that you'll make new friends. But I think that if you were to apply this tip to how you approach people, it might work. If you have dealt with betrayals in the past, it may be difficult to open up to others. You may doubt and question whether you can or should, and it can be scary. However, you can overcome these feelings by communicating your feelings and needs clearly. Try to be more optimistic towards your new friends and be honest. If your newfound friends are meant to be your friends, you'll feel at peace and capable of expressing yourself without fear. Be open to making unexpected friends in unlikely places. Don't take behaviors or expectations from past relationships into the new one. 2, prioritize quality over quantity. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, neither are friendships. I'm sure you've heard people say you should prioritize building meaningful relationships. We all try to do so, but do we really know what it is to create a meaningful relationship? It goes beyond spending money on outings or late night conversations. A quality friendship is fulfilling. You walk away with your spirit renewed because you spent time with pleasant company. Having quality friendships means that you can rely on someone else, especially through difficult situations. Quality friendships don't have competition or ego involved. It's just two people supporting and cheering each other on. So, in your journey to make lifelong friends, cherish people who show up for you when you need it the most. 3, be proactive. Don't wait for others to reach out to you. Take the initiative to invite people for coffee, a walk, or a shared activity. Consistent communication and effort are key to maintaining friendships over time. 4, show genuine interest. Be curious about other people's lives and experiences. Ask questions, listen attentively, and show empathy. Authentic connections are forged when both parties feel seen and understood. 5, be vulnerable. Vulnerability is part of creating a friendship. You have to be open to share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences authentically. Vulnerability fosters intimacy and trust in relationships, making it easier to connect on a deeper level. However, you shouldn't share your vulnerabilities with just anyone in the hopes of finding someone who will listen and be a friend. Not everyone who listens to your woes does so with the intention of caring about you. Learn to discern between someone who listens to your weaknesses to take advantage of them and someone who lends an ear to help you or comfort you. They are very different. 6, stay connected. Make an effort to stay in touch regularly, even if it's just through occasional texts or phone calls. Small gestures of thoughtfulness through texts, letters, memes, and gifts can go a long way in maintaining the bond between friends. Silly memes and inside jokes actually help foster closeness. 7, be supportive and reliable. Show up for your friends during both the good and the bad times. Offer support, encouragement, and a listening ear whenever needed. Reliability and consistency are crucial pillars of lasting friendship. Remember, building lifelong friendships takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. By being proactive, genuine, and supportive, you can create meaningful connections that enrich your life for years to come.